Oftentimes, the mark of a good product is in the comprehensiveness of its documentation. But even knowing this, no engineer enjoys this long and tedious task. This tedious documentation process is made even more frustrating when an unexpected change is made to your design, and you now have to painstakingly recreate all your documentation again. With Draftsman and Altium Designer, you no longer have to waste your time creating your fabrication and assembly drawings. Based on the actual design in your PCB, easily place layer stacks, drill table, drill drawing, notes, callouts, anything you need to get the job done. With the Altium Designer Unified Design, if a change is made to your board, that change is reflected in your documentation, so you're always up to date and ready to go. Draftsman allows you to precisely dimension your board without needing to export to a mechanical tool. And once you have your documentation process established, you can create templates so you and your team can quickly expedite your future documentation workflow.